Well, I saw a refrigerator here at CES, and I'm not used to seeing that, but this is not about the refrigerator at all. I'm here with Erica Rosen from BioLite. What are we doing here today?
Okay, so the fridge is here as a bit of a prop because it's being powered completely off-grid by backup. Backup is an automatic backup energy system that you can install yourself in under 30 minutes. It's a safety net between appliances that you need to keep running and the grid. So when the grid goes down, things like your fridge stay up and running, your life is undisrupted, you go about your business.
So this is video, but also an audio podcast, so describe the size and shape of what we're looking at here.
Absolutely. So for the backup system, what you are looking at right here are two rectangular metal tablets that are on the wall, and these are basically very skinny, very smart batteries. These are energy storage systems that they install directly onto the wall, and they're designed to live in forgotten spaces. So I think for folks who are listening, yes, it's a long rectangular battery, but it's only 2.8 inches thick, and that's because we have a state-of-the-art inverter in here that is the thinnest inverter of any kind. So whatever a wall outlet can do, this can do, and it takes a lot of science to make that happen. We have a...
That's just on 110, those have been charged up.
Yep. So this is a 3 kilowatt hour solution. It can output 1,800 watts of power with 3,000 watt surge. So if the compressor on your fridge kicks on, no problem, it can handle it.
I always make the joke on things like that is that can even do a laser printer.
Oh, I'm going to have to check out the power specs. I'll get back to you.
Yeah, well, you can't put them on a UPS because this power surge is too much, but this is like that. So
yeah,
those are actually really pretty. I mean, I would not sure I have a spot on the wall in my kitchen, but would you be putting these? So you were saying forgotten spaces, like in a coat closet or something?
Yeah. So these are designed, as I said, to live in forgotten spaces, and one of the most important forgotten spaces is behind your fridge, if you can believe it. There's about a 3 to 4 inch clearance behind your most fridges, and this can slide right back there. I'm sure for people listening, they may be like, doesn't it get hot back there? Isn't it dusty? Yes, and we designed for that. This is a fully enclosed solution, and the back of the unit is actually a giant heat sink. And so we are able to manage any sort of ambient temperatures so that it doesn't just live in that space, it thrives in that space. It's going to do just fine.
So do you sell them in pairs, or can you buy one? How does that work?
Yeah, so the unit that is on the wall right now is what we call the complete kit, and it's comprised of the core unit. That is the brains of the operation that has battery plus an inverter, and then it has an extend unit, and that is just an extra energy reserve. So the complete kit is 3 kilowatt hours, but you can buy the core unit as a standalone, or you can add additional extend units onto the system up to a 10.5 kilowatt hour solution.
Okay, so let's say I have this in my house and I find that extra space behind my refrigerator, I put it in there. How do I plug things into this?
Yes.
Should we walk across?
Yeah, come on over, yeah. So if you come over here, I can show you over on this side. So you have the input, so you plug it into the wall, and that goes right here. And then there are 2 AC ports. And so those AC ports are where you can plug devices directly into backup. But let's say you're like, I have more than 2 things I need protected. No problem. Every system comes with a magnetic extension cord, and so you can plug in USB-C.
It looks like a surge protector. USB-C?
Yes, it's a power strip. So basically, if you have more than 2 things you want plugged in that need automatic protection, you can plug them into this strip, no problem.
Okay, so this isn't for powering your whole home, but a few devices that are near each other.
Correct.
Right?
So this is designed to be an in-room solution. So if you look at this, for example, with the fridge, one of the most important rooms in the home when the power goes out is your kitchen. You want to be able to keep your fridge running. You don't want to lose all of your groceries. If you have milk, medicine, medical dog food.
Insulin.
Right. Exactly. And so when the power goes out, one of the places where people feel the most helpless is their fridge, and we want to keep your fridge running, no problem.
That is what we care about. Yeah. I want to come around to this side of you. Now, I want to see that this is actually cold inside. Show me.
Yes, we have nice cool beverages in here, and we have, how did that get in there?
Oh, look at that. It's a CES Innovation Award. Home appliances.
I told them not to put it in there.
Oh, that's a cold soda.
Yep, and it's all happening totally off grid. And then if the power were to come back on, backup would automatically recharge itself.
Oh, it does. So you don't have to do anything.
So unlike some more portable solutions where you have to remember to charge it back up, the minute the grid comes back on, this is going to recharge itself. You don't have to think about
So
it.
is there some sort of app so you know how much it charges?
Yes, there is. There is an app that will communicate both locally via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the cloud. If the power goes out, it'll notify you. And then you can also do things like schedule time of use. So let's say you're on a rate system with your utility company. This is more of a secondary application, but if you want to save a couple of cents here and there.
No, that matters a lot. Where I live, my rate is double during peak time.
Yeah, so you can run devices off this for a few hours every day during peak hours, and then you can end up saving some serious dollars by the end of the year.
Yeah, that would not be too hard in LA pricing. Yeah. Steve, I'm going to do something I've never done before. Erica's going to stay here. I'm going behind the fridge to make sure she's not cheating plugged into the wall. Yeah. So I'm walking behind the refrigerator over here. Okay, I see a power line there, but it's not going. Nope, we're.
Here, let me show you.
Okay, hang on. We're all running around now. This is fun.
Yeah.
This is a full demo.
So you can see that this is plugged into the inverter, and so the power's running off of the whole system. So you have, and so you can see that this light that's blinking right now, all systems live.
Okay, and what about this black cable? Is that going to the wall outlet back there?
That's the fridge.
Oh, that's the fridge. Oh, okay. There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Nothing up her sleeves, even though she does hide her awards in the refrigerator.
That's why I came. We're in Vegas after all.
There you go. Thank you very much, Erica. This is price point. Did you already tell me?
I don't know, but I'll tell you again. So the complete kit is $3,000, but at a 3 kilowatt hour installed solution, and again, this is an installed solution, it can qualify for a 30% tax credit. So you're looking closer to $2,100 out of pocket.
So that's in the federal. That'd be the federal tax credit.
That's right.
Wow. That's availability.
Shipping this summer.
Oh, fantastic. And where would people go to find out more about BioLite?
Yeah, come on over to BioLiteEnergy.com. That's BIOLITE energy.com.
Very good. Thank you very much. This is fun.
Yeah, thanks for your time.